using 3 sheets of tissue paper, all in a light purple. I wanted a nice thin petal that a light would come through, so that's why I'm only using 3 layers of tissue paper. I also added eggplant color grit dye to my glue, so that's gonna add a little texture. Then I'm even gonna go back and put some streaks here and there of a little more reddish burgundy. This color is awesome. I'm really loving it. Part of me is tempted to add a little of the wine to it, so I'm going to. So the way I start a full sheet is quickly get the paper wet. So I do like a cross, one across, one this way. Wow, look at this color. And then one this way. You've kind of got your paper stuck and it's not going to slip around now. I do peek and see if it looks like it's gone through, but usually when you go over it with the rolling pins, it definitely disperses all of the glue so that every piece will get pretty wet. But you see where I'm going. I'm just gonna start adding some texture so it's not just one color. Just so your flower petals have a little character. I mean, you could have one really dark petal, like that spot up there. You really can't mess it up. How's that? I actually like this so much. I kind of want to make some more real dark spots like that. You want to make this interesting. You don't want to just have a plain piece of paper. You want to make it have character, something that draws the eye to be like, hey, why did they do that? Okay, so same thing now. We're just going to cover it up with parchment and put it to bed for 72 hours. So I had used shades of purple in my tissue paper, but I also added some brush strokes to it with dye so that it would have some texture. So this is the first I'm seeing of it as well. What do you think? Do you think I like it? It's so purple. It's so interestingly, wow, royal purple. You always want to make sure you're going slow and you don't just pull your paper and tear it, because sometimes an end will catch, or your parchment paper will catch, and then you'll end up ripping your whole sheet. What? Wow. Really beautiful. This is going to make some really beautiful petals. I can't wait to start cutting. I always get excited to review my paper, but I also feel a little like, All right, yay. I like it.